Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace an LED bulb backup light or reverse light. In this case, this is Honda CRV 2014. The reason why I will be replacing it, this backup light not very bright and yellowish color. There are two fasteners to remove. This is one and two. And pry this tail light assembly to remove. And that's the lock guys. I'm disconnecting the wire. And then turn this counterclockwise to remove the valve. And this is the new one guys. I ordered this from Amazon. Oxito brand. This is very bright. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you touch the bulb. If you're not wearing gloves, this will burn out a lot quicker. This is how look like the Oxito LED light guys. Here is the old one guys. Just remove the old bulb and put the new bulb in. Just like that. And then install. Just turn clockwise guys to install this. Install back the tail light assembly on and put the two fastener back on holding the tail light assembly. That's one. And that's two. It's completely done guys. Just waiting for tonight. It's a night time. We'll see how bright. Wow! So very bright guys. That's why I like LED white color. Thanks guys. Stay safe.